How long should people charged with crimes stay at Oregon State Hospital?
So that's a question that's had the State Health Authority and Disability Rights Oregon locked in a months-long legal struggle. A federal judge just announced that fight isn't ending anytime soon. Liz Birch joined us live. And Liz, give us a little history lesson here. What started all this?
Well, Jeff, is very long and complicated, but you may remember that hospital sued the health authority last year. That really kicked off this long legal battle. It's been a battle brewing for months in Oregon.
We cannot put people in jail and lock them and throw away the key because they have a mental health condition and they need treatment. The Constitution does not allow that.
A lawsuit claims the Oregon Health Authority wasn't moving people into state treatment facilities within the required 7-day window and warehousing them in community hospitals instead. As part of an order handed down by a federal judge last year, people charged with crimes will stay at Oregon State Hospital for less time. That way, the state hospital can admit more people faster. In September, the judge decided people who have misdemeanors will stay no more than 90 days. Those with a felony will stay no longer than 6 months, and no one will stay more than a year. Yesterday, that judge ruled those limits will stay in place for now. I talked to the lawyer representing the DAs today. His clients argued the judge's order on how long people can be held for mental health issues put the public in danger.
The mental health system is in a crisis in the state of Oregon. It's so important and intertwined with the criminal justice system.
In the order handed down by the judge, he said alternatives proposed by both sides have been tried and failed. A representative with Oregon State Hospital tells me today in regards to the opinion, OSH will continue to follow the requirements laid out in the federal court order while also offering a safe and stable environment for patient recovery. Deer Rose Legal tells me today the judge's opinion is what they expected.
It was certainly reassuring to see that the court wants to continue to see the efforts to reform what's going on inside the state hospital move forward.
They don't think more hospital beds are the answer.
The number of people confined to the hospital has been shooting upwards year after year. And so if the only response is to build more capacity in the hospital, by the time anybody finishes any construction, the hospital will be, that new construction will be full again. We'll be back where we started.
He says there needs to be more mental health treatment within communities. Live in Portland tonight, Liz Birch, KOIN 6 News.